What do you guys think? Chicago United hoodie, Crook County hoodie, or Styling Industry hoodie? Going with Styling Industry hoodie because today we're going to the winter indoor largest car show in Chicago, Illinois. First time going. All right, here we go. Get a little cold start for you guys. Car's a hot mess right now. Let's see how this car sounds. Prime the fuel pump. Yes, sir. 36 degrees in freaking Chicago winter. You know it's gonna be a good day when it's 36 degrees in Chicago winter.
Oh yeah. Are we talking about losing control? I'ma show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sit and contemplate. And of course it says my name if you wondering. To let you know who's finna blow. Always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh, I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling my flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Nah, nah.
And just like that, we are back in the casa. The ending, it kind of sucked. Somebody actually backed their car into a gas pipe. So then the fire department had to come and everybody had to be evacuated. It was so bad, and with all the cars already in there with their engines starting and revving and all that stuff, the fumes just made it worse. So it set off the fire alarm, and squad cars had to come. But you know, it's whatever. I had a good time. Got to see a lot of cool cars. I also picked up me some stickers. Yes, sir. I got me a lanyard for my truck. I got a lanyard for the Infiniti. I forgot to get a lanyard for the Ruckus. I forgot to get that, but that'll be next time. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this content, make sure you like it, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share with your friends. See you guys in the next video.